A very good morning to all of you. Today, students, we will do area of lesson number 13, perimeter and area. Area is what? It is the amount of surface space that an object has. Clear? Means if I talk about this one picture, then inside part is called area and outside part is called perimeter. So we talk about inside part. So inside part is of area, and the unit of area is always the square unit. Square unit means square meter, square centimeter. According to the question, we have to put the units. Now, area is measured in square units of length. Means if the area we are discussing about of small objects such as notebooks, pencil box, then its units will be square centimeter. Clear? And when we talk about the area of a bigger surface like playground, then its unit will be square meter. Clear? Now on the behalf of this, we will do activity 1. Activity 4. So firstly, see how to find the area of regular figure. Means this is the boxes given. Now one box, one side is 1 centimeter and other side is 1 centimeter. Means square box, if 1 centimeter side, if all the sides are 1 centimeter, then its area will be 1 into 1, that will be 1 centimeter square. So if it is having 1 centimeter, it is having 1 centimeter. So instead of plusing all this, what we have to do, count the boxes. 1 2 3. Mean vertically it is having 3 boxes, and if you count horizontally 1 2 3 4, it will be 4. So your answer will be 12 and centimeter square. Square unit you can put like this manner also, and 12 square centimeter also correct. Clear? Now on the behalf of this, we do activity 4, question number 1. Area of each square is 1 square centimeter. Clear? Now on the behalf of this, we do first question. Now see how many boxes are there. If it is having 1 centimeter, 1 1 1, it becomes 4. So answer will be 4 square centimeter. Clear? So this is the A part, 1 1 1 1. So 1 centimeter square area is of first box, second is 1 1 1. It will be 4 square centimeter square. Now it is having how many boxes? 1 2 3 4. So 4 you write like this, and 1 2 3. So vertical like this, it will be 3 into 4. Answer will be 12, and centimeter word is written, so it will be 12 centimeter square. So these two parts of question number 1 of activity 4 you will do in the book only. Clear? Now we do question number 2, and question number 2 of activity 4 you have to do in the maths copy as I am doing. Question number 2, first find the area of a rectangle whose length is 24 centimeter and breadth is 9 centimeter. When you do answer, firstly your work is to write down the length. What is given in the question, same thing you write down. Then you have to write down the breadth. After this, student, you have to write down the formula of area of rectangle. Area of rectangle formula is always L into B. Clear? Whenever you find the area, you have to multiply L into B for the rectangle. So now see, what is L given? 24 centimeter into breadth. Breadth is given 9, and along with area's unit centimeter word is there, so its unit will be square centimeter or centimeter square. It's the same thing. Now you multiply 24 by 9. When you multiply it, what answer will come? 9 4 is 36, so 3 will go there. 9 2 is 18, 18 plus 3, it will be 216 square centimeter. Clear? Like this manner you have to write in your maths copy. Now we do B part. Length is given 30 centimeter, breadth is given 18 centimeter. Again you write in the solution also, length is 30 centimeter, breadth is 18 centimeter. Then area of rectangle formula, that is L into B. So 30 into 18 centimeter square you can write, or square centimeter is the same thing. Then 0 will come as it is. It means you have to multiply 18 with 3. So 3 8s are 24. So answer will be 540 centimeter square. Clear? Now we do question number 3. Question number 3 is find the area of a square whose side is 17 centimeter. Firstly, same thing you write down in a solution. Side is equal to 17 centimeter. Now area of a square. Area of a square formula is side into side. As area of rectangle formula is L into B, means length into breadth. Area of square formula is side into side. Why so? Because in square all the sides are equal. So you write side into side. Clear? One way of learning area. In area you always multiply the things into 2. Means in rectangle you multiply L into B because length into breadth is given. Square mein you have to multiply side into side. So when you multiply side into side, it will be 17 centimeter into 17 centimeter. Now 17 when you multiply by 17, so answer will come 289. You can do it in a rough column also. Now they are 2 centimeters, so units will be centimeter square. Clear? Now we do question number 3, B part. Side is 21 centimeter. Area of a square is side into side. Means 21 you have to multiply by 21 and centimeter unit. So centimeter square because both are having centimeter. Now in the rough column you multiply 21 with 21. 21 multiply. 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4. So answer will be 441. So you write here 441 centimeter square. This is your answer of B part. Like this manner you do in your maths copy. Clear? Now we do C part. Again area of a square formula you use. That is 30 side into side, 35 into 35. Make a rough column. 35 multiply by 35 you write. 5 5s are 25. 5 3s are 15, 17. Then 3 5s are 15. So answer comes 5, 7 5 12. So your answer will be 1 2 2 5. 1 2 2 5. So centimeter square centimeter. Clear? This is the C part of question number 3 and you have to do like this manner in your copy. Clear? Now we do D part. Again 45 you have to multiply by 45. I will tell you when the now here 45 centimeter is the side. So firstly you write side is equals to 45 centimeter. Area of a square is side into side. Then 45 into 45 you do. 5 5s are 25. 2 will come up 4. 5 4s are 20. 20 plus 2 is 22. Clear? Then 4 5s are firstly you multiply sign you put. 4 5s are 20. 2 up. 4 4s are 16. 2 18. Clear? So 5 will as it is. 2 plus 0 is 2. Then 8 plus 2 is 10. So answer will be 2025. So you write here 2025 centimeter square. Clear? This is the D part answer. Clear? Now student we do next question. Question number 4 is length and breadth of rectangular table is 280 centimeter. Clear? And 125 centimeter. So this is our 280 centimeter and 125 centimeter. Means length is given 280 centimeter, breadth is given 125 centimeter. You have to find the area of table. Table is in rectangular shape. So area of rectangular table will be 280 into 125. Clear? So centimeter you will write as it is here because area you are finding and its area will be 3 5. I have multiplied this thing in a rough column. Clear? So you can also multiply, make it a rough column over here. 280 you have to multiply by 125. When you multiply it, answer comes 35000. Clear? So 35,000 centimeter square. Hence the area of a table is 35 1000 square centimeter. You can write like this manner also and this manner also. Both are a correct way. Clear? Now we do question number 5. Find the area of a square tile. Square tile is given, means you have to find the area of a square basically. So area of square formula is side into side. So side is equal to 32 centimeter, which is written in the question. Area of a square tile is equals to side into side, means 32 into 32 you do. Now you multiply 32 with 32 in a rough column. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. Clear? Then 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. So your answer will be 1024. Understood? So you will write here 1024 square centimeter. Clear? Means area, hence the area of a square tile is 1024 square centimeter. Hence the area of a square tile is 1024 square centimeter. Clear this thing? Like this manner we do question number 5. Clear? Now students, today we have learned what is an area. Area is the amount of surface enclosed by any object. That is called area, and its unit will be square unit. Means it can be square centimeter, it can be square meter. Then you have learned what is the formula of area of square, side into side. Then you learn area of rectangle formula, that is L into B. Clear? On the behalf of these two things, students, you have done the activity 4. Now I hope you understand today's lecture and able to do today's activity. So students, thank you and have a nice day all of you.